Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Switchboard AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register an account on the Switchboard AI, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address switchboard.ai and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of the Switchboard AI over here. And in order to in order to sign up for a Switchboard AI account from over here, you can see the sign up today, no credit card required button available at the middle of the screen. Simply click on that button and you'll be directed to the registration process of the Switchboard. So let's wait for it, guys. And you can see, guys, this is the sign up page of the Switchboard. So in order to register an account, let's proceed with our registration by entering our credentials. So let's enter our email address with which we will be logged into our Switchboard AI account later on, and after that enter your password and again enter your password at the confirm password section just to make it sure your passwords are identical and matching. And guys, while entering your password, do make sure to enter some capital letters, some numbers, as well as some special characters just to make your password strong. And with these being all done, click on the box where it says I agree to the terms of services and privacy policy, and the create your free account button will be available for you. After entering all of your credentials, guys, simply click on the create your free account and a verification link will be sent to you from the Switchboard AI to your email. And open that verification link, click on it after you have clicked on the create your free account, and then you have perfectly signed up for the Switchboard AI. And then after that you will be able to use the Switchboard AI, which is a text generator AI, which is an image generator AI, which is an image generator AI which is on your computer. And with that being said, guys, you can see you can choose how did you hear about Switchboard from anywhere, which is optional. And with that being said, guys, after entering all of your credentials and your computer, confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe